A good day for the markets this Tuesday. We saw around 0.7% in terms of gains. And if we can have the intraday graph, essentially to kind of break this down and see how the day went by. It was a good day overall. We breached the 24,480. We weren't able to breach the 24,500. That's the next one, which we'll be looking out for. That's the hurdle. Let's also look at the heat map and see which stocks contributed to these gains. You'll see a couple of Adani Group names there. Bernstein coming out with a note on the group as a whole, quite constructive overall. You're seeing some banking names, Axis, SBI contributing well, L&T doing well as well. In terms of the losers, far and few, but you'd see HDFC Life there, a couple of consumer names as well, and Asian Paints, a hero, as well as even a Tata Consumer among some of the losers. Let's pull up the heat map with regard to sectors, if we can. And that will give us a good lens as to how everything played out. FMCG Pharma, mild negative on Pharma, likewise on FMCG, but other than that, a good coat of green across the screen. PSU Banks leading the play today along with the Nifty Bank, because that drove the Nifty index higher as well. Let's pull up the contributors on the Nifty. Reliance, HDFC doing well in trade always bodes well for the index as a whole, contributing 60 plus points to that 180 point gain on the index. Let's pull up the broader markets. The advance decline was good. It was skewed in favor of the advances. The breadth of the market was healthy. Mid cap up 0.9 odd%, closing close to the day's high. The small cap too very close to the day's high, 1% higher on the Nifty small cap. Let's pull up the BSE 500 stocks, top gainers, top losers, and we'll get a lens into what were some of the big movers in trade. Granules down 10, CE Info Systems down 9 on the back of news, but HEG, Graphite, Borosil Renewables and some power stocks in focus along with KPIT Tech doing very well in trade.